Now, corresponding to question, a man is walking. A man is walking on level of road with velocity 6 km per hour. First of all, I know that this one is here I cap, here j cap, here minus I cap, here minus j cap. Clear or not? Very simple. After that, according to question, a man is walking on a level of road with velocity 6 km. It means, what about Vm? Vm is given 6 into I cap. Clear or not? Man walking on the road like this one. So how much? 6 km per hour. Clear? Corresponding question. Now, after that, raindrop falling vertically downward with velocity 6 km per hour. Raindrop, that is VR. VR is given how much? 6 into j cap minus j cap. Y minus rain going on downward, vertically downward. That it means j minus j direction. That's why. Clear or not? Rain going on downward, represent like that one. How much velocity? 6 km per hour. That's why representation. So rain velocity with respect to ground, that is VR, or you can say VRG, that is minus 6j. Represent like that one. Our motto, find the velocity of the raindrop with respect to man. Means if you sit on the man head and see the velocity of raindrop, means that is relative velocity. VRM is written as VR minus Vm. Very simple. Okay. Now put here VR, that is minus 6j, and that is minus 6 I cap. It is also written as minus 6 I cap and minus 6 j cap. Okay. So VRM, magnitude of VRM is written as 6 square plus 6 square, that is 6 root 2 km per hour. 6 root 2 km per hour. Clear or not? So what about velocity or direction? What about direction of VRM? So how can check? First of all, minus 6 I cap, minus 6 I cap, minus 6 j cap, that is minus 6 j cap, and that one is, that is VRM. Clear or not? What about angle? That is theta. So tan theta, 6 divided by 6, that is 1. So theta is 45 degree. Theta is 45 degree. Okay. Now how can make it? Now clear? If this one is theta, theta is 45 degree. So this one is also 45, because 90 minus 45, that is 45, and this one is also 45. Okay. So rain velocity with respect to man is represent like that one. So if you represent here like that one, how much? 6 root 2 km per hour, and here 45 degree. Clear or not? So you can say that our motto, what is the direction in which should hold his umbrella? So first of all, what about velocity of raindrop with respect to man? That is 6 root 2 km per hour. So first of all, written here that is, you can say that the velocity of raindrop with respect respect to man, how much? That is 6√2 kilometer per hour, making an angle 45 degree with vertical in front. Clear or not? So clear? Now next one, what is the direction in which he should hold his umbrella? So you can say that, so he should umbrella hold at angle 45 degree with vertical toward his front. Clear or not? So umbrella like that one. Clear? Make it.